The Educational Theater Association's online membership service portal lets you take care of all your core troupe business. We want to make managing your International Thespian Society troupe as easy as possible. So here's a quick tip to help you use the system. Let's look at how to induct students. First, log into your account. If you're on the schooltheater.org website, click the My Account button in the upper right corner. Alternatively, you can go directly to myedta.schooltheater.org. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on your personal snapshot page. Navigate to Thespian Society Induction on the left-hand navigation. You'll be asked if you are inducting thespians or junior thespians. If you'll be inducting both, select one to start with. You'll be able to select the other type later on. Now you'll build your induction list. First, use the search bar to find out if a student already has an account. If not, click the Create New Student Account checkbox and select Next. Create your student's account. Bring all the important information and select Next. Once you've created all of your student accounts that need to be created, search for the students that are on your induction list. And once you see them here, select Next. You'll begin the checkout process, unless you wish to add more inductees. Select your payment method and submit your order. Once the process is complete, you have inducted your students. If you run into any problems, email our membership team at members@schooltheater.org and we'll be happy to help. Watch the other tip videos for more help using the system.